Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn about the Boolean data types in Dart with a simple and practical example. So let's start the video. So first we define the main function void main open and close curly braces. So now we will declaring Boolean variables. Bool is the data type, then is logged in is a variable and true is the value. So is logged in stores the true. Bool data type is admin is equal to false. So basically is admin stores the false. So these variables represent user status in a real world application. So now we will see how to use Boolean data type in conditional statement. So we will take the if condition if is logged in if is logged in condition is true, then we print user is logged in. Semicolon. So is logged in is true, hence this statement is print on the console of the system. So now we will see how to use the Boolean expressions. So for that we will define one another expression bool is adult is equal to 18 is greater than or equal to 18. So basically this condition is true, hence it prints true. So now simply we will displaying the Boolean values. For that we will use the string interpolation. Print is logged in, then we will use the string interpolation, that is the $, and is logged in semicolon. Then after we will print is admin, print in double quotation is admin is admin, then after string interpolation $, and is admin semicolon. Then again we will print the is adult. So simply give the print function print is adult dollar sign is adult, semicolon. So save the program and open new terminal. Now we will run this program. So type over here dart space your file name. Boolean data type dot dart. Enter button. So see, it prints is logged in because condition is true, then value of the is logged in is true, value of the is admin is false, and value of the is adult is true.